Hello, this is Mike from BeyondDocs, and today I'm going to show you how you can use checkboxes to show and hide content in Microsoft Word. If you haven't already done so, go to the Microsoft Addin store and download BeyondDocs for Microsoft Word. Once you've done that, launch BeyondDocs. Next, choose Customize Document Template. Then, Edit Document Questionnaire. Let's go ahead and create our first question. This will be a checkbox, and we will just make this, what is your favorite color? And then we'll add our choices. We'll save. And on the Customize Template screen, we'll choose Show, Hide Sections in Doc. Now we'll choose the field that we just created, and we'll choose the proper conditions. And I'm just going to insert 3 conditions. So there's the first one. Now I'll change this to green. Here's the second one. Change this to blue. Here's the last one. Okay, let's go ahead and just put these towards the end. And then what I can do is just take this whole end if, move that to the end. Now that we have our 3 conditions set up, let's go ahead and publish this document. And we'll call this document template Checkbox Tutorial. And now we can view the questionnaire or copy the share URL and paste it into our web browser. Now generating the document is as easy as just choosing 1 or 2 items from here, going to the next screen and downloading. So we chose red. Here we can see it's red. If we go back, we can do maybe blue and green. And that's about it. That's how you can use Microsoft Word and checkboxes to show and hide content. If you found this video interesting, go ahead and leave me your feedback in the comments. Also, if you have any other questions about document assembly or document automation, let me know, and if BeyondDocs can help you, I'll make you a tutorial. Thanks again.